Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, central Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 1 p.m. At 12:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near central Lake Winnebago to Oak Field to near Cambria, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Radar indicated.
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, West Bend, Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Jackson, Mayville, Slinger, Columbus, Kewaskum, Horicon, Howards Grove, Juneau, Pittsburgh, Lomira, Belgium, Fredonia, and Kohler.
Attending the Dodge County Fair and Beaver
Dam should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following location: Horicon Marsh. Alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure.
For your protection, move on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA weather radar.